So, hello guys, welcome to my vlog video. Yeah, video. Got the ice cream. So, I'm gonna show you my DIY ice cream and how is it works. Yeah. So first thing first, there's a cashier here like beep 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 beep. Yeah, I'm gonna pindot it cause it's wet. It's wet. Yeah. So this is when the if you press 6, it like come out. Yeah, like that. And if you press this one, this little thing, it should come out like this. This is the coins. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. So this is the 10. Wait, 20 and what? Oh, what? So in this side, there's the cards. I'm gonna show you. Oh no. I'm gonna show ya. Gonna show you. Bro. Like that. So this is the cards. Wait. This is the cards. Land Bank. It's named Bob because I don't know what is it named. So this is our card. ALCD. Yeah. A for Arya as my name. Mami, pwede pa Lem Rose is Hina lang. Lem Rose. L is for Lem Rose. C for is Cara. And D for Daniela, my classmate. We made this. And ice cream shop. Ganyan. So my handwriting is good? Tell me my comments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Yeah, that's 0, not 6. And same like this. Oh, not same. So this is the China Bank. Yeah, I made this. So this is the China Bank. All the cards, yeah. And BDO card. BDO, yeah. BDO. So gonna look at this. Bakasan mo naman din, Mami. Because my mom is watching. It's okay to be not okay. She's watching. So in this area, there's numbers, right? By the way, this is the telephone. and sulat is like it writes and copy. So it is siya. Wait. Yeah. Ganun pala. Shit. It's like this. Like this. Beep, 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 like that. So like protect card. So press this card and add like that. And like that. Beep 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 beep. So 现状 ay okay, it's okay. You can go now. So I'm gonna request this. I'm gonna put this there. Yeah, ready. Like that. So this one is the ice cream area. Yeah. And this is the spoon. Wait. The brightness. This is the spoon. Yeah, this is the biggest one. But this is, it's only here, but I will make it like big like this. So it's like that. Yeah. Bruh. So this is the cones. So others is the toppings. And this is the cups. Big cups. Look, it's a LCD ice cream shop. Yeah. So that's it for this and this one. But then this is not ice cream. Yeah. So this is the scissors. Chick. This is the matcha ice cream, but I cannot do it because it's small. Maya. It's a phone. Like, chick. And this is the coins too. And yes, I didn't use glue here because I'm tamad. So this area now. So I have this flavors. This one is strawberry, as this strawberry, chocolate chip. Here the chocolate chip, vanilla, taro, it's taro, and cherries, matcha here, and hold it up. So the cone is $20 or 20 pesos, and the cup, the ALCE cup, it's 30 pesos or dollars. So Melties, I didn't do the Melties because Ramos didn't. My best Melty. This is the Pinky Bear and Classic Taro. It's Classic Taro and more flavors, which is chocolate here, and cookies and cream here, and lastly birthday cake. That, yeah, it's done here, and this is the big one. Yeah, this is a glue, ball pens, and acrylic markers and colors too. So in part 2, I'm gonna show it how it works. Bye bye.